Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today it's time for those holidays. They're around the corner. You want to get a new set of knives? This is probably it. They're all showing up right in front of you, so you got every single knife in front of you and a base that's made of wood. I like the feel of it. I like the home of it. If you want to put it in your kitchen, it's going to look great for those parties that you're going to have. It's going to display every single knife. You don't have to overkill with a bunch of knives. This is perfect. This is all you're going to need. And they're very good quality knives. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get. All right, first of all, they give you a sharpener. All right, this is to sharpen all your knives. Very simple, nothing fancy. I like the protective. It has the gear in the bottom here, the flat area. So when you're sharpening them, it's going to hit this area. So that's not bad. I like this. So we're going to put this on the side and take a look at it. Now we're going to take a look at the chef's knife. All right, very sharp off the box. It's extremely sharp. In fact, really extremely sharp knife, right? You got to be careful with it. So you got to be careful how sharp it is. These knives come protective. They even give you the little plastic covers that every single knife has one because they are extremely sharp. So you want to make sure that you handle it with care. Of course, the handle is made of plastic. It's pretty long. It's really, really well made. Now this is a carving knife. Very simple, long knife. It's thinner, and of course they're pretty sharp. All of them are super sharp. They're all extremely sharp, well sharpened. Be careful how you open this one up too. This is a longer knife, so this is a carving knife. This is the bread knife. If you guys can see it, bread knife. It's easy to cut bread, so that's what it is. So if you guys can see the lines itself, I'm gonna put them right here in front of you guys. Really good all around. Utility knife. This is the all hands utility knife. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna turn it around. Real simple. Love and they're, like I said, they're all extremely sharp. Really sharp to cut paper. All right. This is a paring knife. All right. Small little knife, of course. But like every single knife is extremely sharp. Really sharp to the touch. All right. So keeping the sharpness, not that bad. They're going to give you the utility it comes with to sharpen your actual knives. What I personally do, instead of using a utility knife, I actually bought a stone, a wet stone, to keep them all sharp. My recommendation, you can use this to sharpen all your knives, or you can get something else. But this comes in handy to sharpen all your knives, of course. But this is a great item. So easy, simple. And if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.